I love this. In this video, I'm going to make a paper cone ornament. We're going to use this printable collection. This is the one we're going to use today. And also with this collection comes the petals so you can make flowers. I will link the video in the comments underneath on how I made these flowers. I printed on 60-pound cardstock. I printed on the back. Now what I'm going to do today, you won't see the inside of the cone, but if you're just going to put like some candies or something in there, then you might want to print the back. This does come with the collection. So what you'll notice is there's a dotted line and it says add glue here. This is the seam of how we're going to put this together. So it being 60-pound cardstock, I want to add some curl to this. So I am just going to roll it. You don't want to fold it, but I just kind of want to get it to kind of do that. Okay, it's just going to make it easier putting this together. And what we're going to do is we're going to put in the bottom first. So I'm going to line up this, and then this will line up. So I'm just going to keep curling it until, I'm not going to worry about anything up here yet, okay? But I want my bottoms to line up fairly well. Now don't worry about if this doesn't line up perfectly, don't worry about it, because we're going to cover this up. But if you see here, you can go a little, I mean, I think we've all made these as kids, right? So I'm going to be fine with that. And I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue, because the hot glue is going to tack this really fast and it's going to hold really well. I'm going to roll that over. So I'm still holding on to it. I'm not letting go until this dries. And then this is pretty much where you want it to be. You can move it a little bit if you want it to make it a little bigger, but that's pretty much the line. Now don't worry about this, because we're not going to see this, but you can trim this if you wanted. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to now take my fabric tack and I'm going to put this together. So I'm going to take some, what do you call these things? A clip of some sort, and just let that be, just like that. We're just going to let this dry. It takes about maybe 5 minutes. I got some things that I'm using here. I'm using, this is from the thrift store. And it came in a big, it was like a tablecloth, and I just cut them up. I love using this. You could use ribbon. This is where you really get to be creative and adding your own style. So I've just got a bunch of things here, all right? And then I've got a flower that I've already made that comes in this collection. Again, I'll drop the link below for that video. And this, I've got this little card. This is from another collection of mine. This came with this collection. So I've got a few things here to decorate our cone. Bring that down. I'm going to pop the 2 holes here because I'm going to put some string. And then I have this lace. And I'm just going to tie it off. So now we can hang it. And I'm going to use this flower. And I have this applique. I'll do that there. I think before I do that, I'm going to add, I have this chain. And I think I'm going to glue this chain to this. Okay, so there we go. We have that on there. Now I meant to add this actually. So I'm going to take this off before it actually sets in. Because I've got this yarn that I want to add in here, just like that. With this collection, it comes with this one, and I went ahead and I already added some glitter to the edge. So I think I'm going to add this one here, just to have it sticking out a little bit. So we're going to pop that in there. And this is chunky glitter. Oh, it's coming along. Now I do want to add something to the bottom. I think what I'm going to do is add more of this lace. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue right here. Okay, so here's where you can put some candy or something in here. I've got some of this foliage, so add a little bit of glue. Just so it doesn't go anywhere. So it's off to the side. I think I'm going to add another little piece on the side here. Here. Maybe we can add a little bit of this coming out. This tree, you could totally change this out. A little piece of chocolate or something here would be really cute, but you get the idea. Look at that. How adorable is that? And that's so I actually had turned the camera off and then I continued. So I've turned the camera back on. I added this little tag and I added it to a bulb pin. So I've had that dangling on the side. And then I went into my stash and I found this pine cone, a bunch of these. These are just from the dollar store. And I'm going to just pop these in here. If we need to glue them, we will. But I just wanted to add more to this. And I'm going to take this because I really love that. This kind of thing, the more you add, the better it gets. I mean, we have so much dimension there. I love that. Let me know what you think in the comments.